How's it going, guys? Stas here. Almost spilled the coffee on my frickin' pants, man. But yeah, cheers, by the way, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks for tuning in. So we have to break down Palantir as the stock's moving up yet again today, guys. But first, do not forget to get your 30 stocks from Moo. Check out the link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more free stocks, guys, totaling 30 stocks. So if you want to take advantage of the deal while it lasts, the clock's ticking, use that link down below or simply go to stassurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's get into it. So Palantir, it's moving, and the entire stock market is moving yet again here, guys, which earlier in the day, you know, the indexes, half of them were in the red, but now they're moving in the right direction, right? We're getting Apple's earnings after the bell, a bunch of other companies as well. We got a lot of earnings this morning, so it looks like sentiment is turning positive, at least as of now, and Palantir is moving up over $1. It's up 1.4%. And we hit over $81 earlier in the day. Now we're at $80.90. Looks like to me we're about to go back over 81 bucks again. In fact, look at this. This is the 5-day, 5-minute chart I'm looking at here, guys, and we have a clear ascending triangle. I mean, this is as clear as it can get. I mean, over the last 3 days of trading, we've had resistance at about $80, 50 cents, $81, this dollar window essentially, right? But at the same time, we've been making higher lows into that resistance. I mean, you guys see it here, pretty clear as day, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low right here, and we're squeezing deeper and deeper into that triangle. It looks like we're about to break out. I don't know, guys, but call me nuts, but it looks like we're about to break out. And I might as well set my alert. Let me do that right now. $81.50. Mark is at or above. I mean, take a look here, guys. Intraday, on the intraday chart, the high is, where are we at? 81.66. So that level needs to break. I mean, we got to retest it, break out of it. And if I look at this a bit, yeah, it looks like we did literally 5 minutes prior to me making this video or clicking the record button. It looks like we did test 81.30. We got rejected. Now we're down 50 cents from that point. You guys see all these red candles here. So I know you're watching this after the bell, so make sure you keep an eye on whether or not we rallied or, into close or we dumped into close. Ideally here, guys, Palantir, if it takes out, ideally, it takes out 81.50. That'd be ideal for the bulls, but we're just not seeing it quite yet. Patience is key here, guys. But yeah, either way, man, it looks like we're about to break out 81.50, ascending triangle, 5-day, 5-minute chart. I am loving it here, guys. And overall, man, if we take out 81.50, 82.20 is about 70 cents after that, not too far away, which I believe. No, that's not the all-time high, but it's pretty dang freaking close, man. It's close. So if we take out 81.50, 82.25 is next. After that, most likely, in my opinion, all-time highs are coming. But keep in mind, guys, earnings. Earnings are on Monday. Yes, so we only have tomorrow and Monday, of trading. Really, tomorrow is the only day, last full day of trading before earnings. Well, I guess Monday is as well. But you know how that gets with earnings coming up, right? The day of, it gets a little hectic. But yeah, not many days left before the numbers come out. And will the numbers be good enough to send us a lot higher? That is the $1 million question at this point, guys. I mean, we have an inverse head and shoulders, right? We're looking bullish, but bad earnings could change everything, right? I don't think earnings will be bad. I'm just saying, playing devil's advocate here, if the earnings drop, if they drop the ball, guidance, EPS, revenue, whatever it may be, right? It could set us up for a sell-off. But then again, we crush earnings, boom, we break out, go a lot higher, which the charts as of now, which could change based on earnings, but as of now, they're pointing to more upside, right? We have a golden cross, the ascending triangle we talked about, inverse head and shoulders here on the 4-hour chart. More upside, guys, realistically, could be in the cards. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below about that. And make sure to subscribe here on YouTube, guys. We're so close to 50,000 subs. We're like 700 away. Let's try and get to 50K in February. I think we will. Hopefully in the first week of February at this rate. So make sure you guys subscribe. I really do appreciate it as always here on YouTube, man. It's been one heck of a ride. Let's just say that. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for Palantir today. Let's take a look at the indexes right now as it is about 2 p.m. on the East Coast. We have the S&P 500 looking at SPY up 0.5%. And it looks like, guys, we're gunning for the highs from earlier today. We hit about 606. Now we're at 605. It's looking pretty bullish. Bulls are gaining momentum here in the very short term. Look at that. We're stacking up some higher lows, higher highs. S&P all-time highs could be coming pretty soon. We're about 5 points away from them. And, I mean, we got arguably a cup and handle, depending on how you look at it, which is bullish. So keep your eyes on that. QQQ is up around 0.3%. Not bad. Looking decent here. But no doubt, I mean, we've been shopping around, pretty much trading sideways now for about a month and a half. Haven't hit an all-time high since the middle of December on QQQ. So, yeah, we're going to have to get momentum. Maybe Apple gets us there. Maybe Amazon, a bunch of earnings coming up. Maybe they get us there. But we're going to have to break 525, 530, start building momentum out of there. And the Russell, guys, is crushing it now, clearly continuing the uptrend, bouncing up 1.5% today, which my eyes are peeled on IJR, which is a small cap ETF. We've covered it many times here on the channel, and by the looks of it, guys, we're about to break out. We're at 120 right now, testing a multi-month resistance. We have an inverse head and shoulders here on the 4-hour chart, looking like it's about to go crazy. So IJR, small cap ETF, my eyes are on it like white on rice, right? I don't know, that just popped in my head, guys, but we'll go with it. And the Dow Jones is almost at all-time highs. You heard that right. We're about 75 points away, or more like 100 points away, pretty dang close, 90 points away from all-time highs. Talk about performance when it comes to the Dow. It's been crushing it the last couple of days, 2 weeks at this point, compared to actually more like 3 weeks. The last 3 weeks, the Dow has been crushing the other indices, whatever you want to call them, in terms of performance. Dow has been on fire. So that is a quick rundown on the markets, indexes, Palantir, a bunch of other stocks are moving today as well, guys. We're not going to go too deep into these, but let me just name them off really quickly. OKLO is moving up around 13%. Looks like it's going back to $40 a share. Las Vegas Sands is moving. It looks like they reported earnings up 12%. Las Vegas Sands. Let's see. Coinbase is moving, looking pretty good today, up 5%. Looks like it's continuing the uptrend here on the 4-hour chart. We have companies like Alphabet looking like they want to break out, up 2.5%. Ascending triangle is clear on Alphabet here, guys. Ticker symbol GOOG. Their earnings are on Monday, looks like, right? Yeah, actually, no, Tuesday on second thought. They're on Tuesday coming up, so keep your eyes on Google, one of my biggest individual stock holdings, guys, and it's been for years. I think we're going higher after earnings, but I could be wrong. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Do not forget to subscribe and get your 30 free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks, deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash right now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it. Use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.